Formax presents the 6210 series inserters. The Formax 6210 series inserters are compact, easy to use, and energy efficient, ideal for adapting to a variety of office mailing needs. These inserters can process up to 15,000 mail pieces per month at speeds of up to 2,000 per hour, saving both time and money. The 6210 series output can be increased to up to 20,000 per month at speeds of up to 2,500 per hour with the addition of the optional productivity package. A 7-inch color touchscreen, automatic job setup, and 50 programmable jobs make operation easier than ever before. The high-capacity vertical output stacker is standard on all models and holds up to 500 finished envelopes in a neat sequential order. The 6210 series color touchscreen control panel features a graphical user interface with paper and envelope present sensors for unmatched ease of operation. In addition, models can be configured with an optional full-width CIS scanner to read OMR or BCR for seamless, secure processing of multi-page invoices or statements. For energy savings, the 6210 series includes an automatic sleep mode, which puts the inserter into standby after 1 hour of being idle. The 6210 series is ideal for the office environment with its versatility and quiet operation. 5 models are available in a variety of configurations, including a 1-station configuration with 1 standard feeder, a 1.5 standard configuration with 1 standard feeder and 1 insert feeder, a 2-station configuration with 2 standard feeders and a 2.5 configuration with 2 standard feeders and 1 insert feeder, or 1 special insert feeder. To operate the 6210, begin by loading the feeders. The feeders hold up to 325 sheets each. With the feeders loaded, choose either automatic or the step-by-step job wizard to set up your mailing. AutoSet will detect the document and envelope sizes and automatically fold and insert the mail pieces based on this information. Press the One Time button for a test piece. Check the piece to be sure it's correct. If the documents are accurately folded and inserted, press Mail OK, then press Start to begin processing. The high-capacity vertical stacker holds the finished pieces in a neat sequential order, making them easy to unload for further processing. The Formax 6210 series inserters combine user-friendly features with versatility and are ideal solutions for a growing office environment.